Hey guys, it's your girl Kiana, aka Bling Goddess Key. If you want to see how I created this look on one of my clients, continue to watch. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, and I'm going to start with her brows, and I'm just drawing a line under her brow, following her natural brow line, and then I'm going to brush the hairs down and draw a line with a bit of an arch, and then I'm just going to do tiny hair strokes to fill in the rest of her brows. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this brow. Just make sure, I like my brows to look natural, so I just try to follow what my client already has and just fill it in so that they look fuller. Okay, so I'm just using a flat brush and some concealer, and I'm cleaning up under her brow by drawing a straight line, and then I'm just going to drag down the excess concealer because you're going to put concealer on the whole eyelid because this is a full glam look. And please excuse my hand. I don't know why I'm throwing up gang signs to put concealer on her eyes. Okay, so you're just going to do the same thing on the other eyebrow. You're drawing a clean line under the brow and just dragging it down. Okay, so now I'm just cleaning the top of the brow by doing the same method, but instead of pulling it down, you're going to pull it up. Okay, once you have your eyebrows concealed, you're going to add concealer to your eyelids, and then you're just going to blend everything out. Okay, so I'm holding my brush lightly, and I'm just using a patting motion. I'm not really wiping so that your concealer stays in place. So now that her eyebrows are completed, I'm just going to prime her face using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. So now I'm going to set her eyes using a translucent setting powder. So using the Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to take that rose orange color and I'm going to blend it directly into her crease. When doing my client's face, I like to start with the crease first and then go back in with the transition color. And I'm just going to go in her crease. I'm going to go back and forth in circular motions. Okay, so once you get your crease the color that you want, you're going to go in with your transition color and you're just going to blend it directly on top, right up under your brow bone, using the same circular motions. So now I'm just cutting her crease, I'm tracing a line at where her crease begins and I'm just dragging it down using a flat brush. I am so sorry guys, my phone stopped recording and of course I didn't realize it until I was done with her eyes. But now I'm just applying her lashes and then I'm going to go back over her eyeliner just to make sure that it's nice and precise. Ooh, that rhyme. Okay. And then once you're done with her eyeliner, you're going to add some mascara so that the false lashes are blended in with her real lashes. Okay, so I'm just using an eyeliner brush to apply eyeliner to her waterline. So I'm going to use my Fit Me by Maybelline in the color 360. And I'm just going to use my foundation brush to just buff this all over her face. And I'm going to do 2 coats just to make sure I have full coverage. Now that I'm done with her foundation, I'm going to go in with the highlight. And I'm just taking Fit Me by Maybelline in the color 355. And then I'm going to go in with the concealer, Age Rewind, and just go on top of that. And then I'm going to go down the bridge of her nose. And then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. So you want to make sure that you're using a damp beauty blender, because if your beauty blender is dry, then it will just absorb all of your product. So now I'm just going to start with the contour using Morphe M14, and I'm just going to blend up under her cheekbones on both sides, and then I'm going to go around her forehead, and I'm going to also go down the sides of her nose to contour her nose. So using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Honey, I'm going to set up under her eyes and down the bridge of her nose and a little on her forehead. And then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. I don't like to bake. It's just something that I don't like. So I don't do it on myself or on my clients. So you just want to make sure that you're blending your setting powder really good in order to avoid flashback in your pictures. I'm just using the NYX glitter glue and I'm applying it under her eye, because then I'm going to do glitter for her waterline. Well, not directly on her waterline, a little beneath it because it is glitter. Now I'm just taking my Watch Me Blush palette and I'm going to use the color Strawberry Cream and Berries and just put it on the apples of her cheeks and blend it upward. And then I'm going to go in with Anglola and just apply her highlight, and I'm going to start at the top of her cheekbones and just blend it up. And I'm also going to apply it on her nose, and then I'm just going to use my sponge to place it and just blend it out. And now I'm just going to spray her face with setting spray by NYX, and then I'm going to take a brush and just pat it into her face. So this look is pretty much finished. Now I'm just going to take a brown eyeliner and line her lips and then apply some gloss. So this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.